Hi everyone, it's Genene and welcome to day 6 of our 7 days of yoga challenge for gentle energy. For today, you may need a strap. It's for a leg stretch for later. Otherwise, take a comfortable seat and we'll begin the box breathing technique. We use this particular breathing technique to calm the nervous system and to create mental focus. Gently close your eyes. Samavrita pranayama. We're inhaling to the count of 4, holding for the count of 4, exhaling for the count of 4, and holding for the count of 4. So exhale all your air out to begin, and we're going to take deep, full breaths. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on your own count. When you're done with that round, come back to natural breath. And with perhaps a little bit more clarity of mind, join your hands together in front of your heart and then set your intention for your practice, reminding yourself what drew you to your mat today. And then gently release your hands down to your thighs. Let your eyes slowly blink open. And before we move into our next pose, I want to make sure that you've clicked that subscribe button, because that way you'll be notified of when all my videos drop. So make sure you click subscribe and make sure you click like at the end of the video if you like this sequence, so I know to make more like this. And now we'll move into our next pose, Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie down on your back, bending your knees in close to your body, as close as you can. Bring the soles of the feet together on the floor, opening your legs out to the sides, and then relax. If this is uncomfortable for your knees, place a prop on the outside of both sides. Now I invite you to take your arms out to the sides, bending at the elbows. The back of the hands come to the earth, scarecrow arms. Feel the expansion in your chest and encourage that expansion with your breath. Now, if you like, bring your arms overhead and straighten them on the floor. Palms face each other. And now take your arms back down by your sides, palms face up. Take your hands to the outsides of your legs and gently draw your legs together. And then straighten your legs one at a time. Draw your right knee into your chest. And then grab your strap and wrap it around the ball of your right foot and straighten your right leg up to the sky. Keep your arms straight and press the ball of your foot into the strap as you let the weight of your arms ground your right femur bone. deeper into the socket. Bend your right knee into your chest, release the strap, and then take the strap around the ball of the left foot and straighten the left leg up to the sky, arms straight, shoulders on the ground. Allow yourself to feel the grounding action of the weight of your arms, drawing that left femur bone deeper into the socket as you feel a nice hamstring stretch on your left side. Bend your left knee into your chest, removing the strap and returning that leg back. Draw your knees into your chest and then straighten both legs up to the sky. You can either continue supporting your legs or take your arms down to the floor, palms face down for support. Enjoy the stretch along your hamstring, spreading your toes. Bend your knees back into your chest. Roll to one side and come up to sitting. Once you get there, stretch your legs out in front of you, Dandasana. If your low back rounds, prop yourself up on something, and then let's roll our ankles in one direction. Doesn't matter which one. As you do this, breathing in as you circle one direction, and then breathing out as you circle. and then and then let's match our breath. So as you circle the ankle, try going slower and circle the ankles. Exhale halfway around, inhale the other. Now let's circle the ankles the other direction using the breath. You may stay you may stay here Or option for Paschimottanasana, extreme forward, seated forward bend. Hinging from your hips, take the top rim of your pelvis forward, walk your hands forward, and bow. Belly pulls away from your thighs. Feel the calming action of this intense stretch. Feel the calming action of this forward fold. Walk your hands back up to sitting in Dandasana, and from here, roll yourself down into constructive rest pose. Knees bent, feet flat. Draw your knees into your chest. You can gently close your eyes. Release your hands. Straighten your legs one at a time for Shavasana. You may stay here as long as you like. Once you come out, make sure that you take the time to slowly transition to wherever you're going so that you don't just destroy all the benefits that we just created. And I look forward to you joining us tomorrow for day 7, the last day, which is going to be a full restorative yoga practice. Until then, namaste.